Works great in our guest house. I like the aesthetic of the unit. I like that it works well, it cools well. Very appropriate for the BTU that I required. It shipped to my door in less than a week. Comes with all the necessary amenities. It wasn't that hard to install, however. To save on time, I wish there was a video that accompanied the instructions or even better pictures on the manual. If you have a handy person, it's better because you want to make sure that the unit lines up evenly. But overall, perfect. It arrived with the side dented. It did not affect performance. Packaging was not adequate for a product of this weight. Worked perfectly, no complaints. Love it nice and cold. I'm giving this a 4 instead of a 5 because it is not quiet. It does pull moisture from the air, and this has really helped the basement feel more comfortable. I'm anxious to see if the heater works this winter. Wide and fit wall perfect with previous wall trim. It was easy enough to install. Directions were confusing though. Not enough pictures/diagrams. I ended up not using the grill they say you must use. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.